no BS how to make 5 to 6 figures per month at home. And this is going to be a $17 billion industry in 2023. If you want to get your piece of the pie, make sure you watch this video to the end and save it for reference later. And don't worry about everybody knowing about this, because statistically only 5% of people will watch this video until the end anyway. Only 3 things you're gonna need is your laptop, your phone, and a Wi-Fi connection. First thing we need is we need to pick a topic or a niche, and you can choose anyone on this list. Second thing we need to do is we need to find a product within that niche or topic. So many websites where you can find products to promote, but personally I like to use ClickBank, and here is how. To clickbank.com and then sign up. Go to affiliate marketplace and click on it. You're going to choose the topic or the niche that you've already decided on. For example, I'm going to go with health and fitness. You can see this is the top product and it's going to pay you $135 per sale. Click promote, add your account nickname, and then click on generate top link. Now copy this link. The link you just copied is super important, and that's how you can make your commissions. Take that affiliate link and promote it on any of these social media platforms. Every single time when someone clicks and buys through that affiliate link, you earn money. Want to see part 2? Just comment below.